today is finally the day. We're heading to the Freedom Factory to go drifting. We've been waiting to do this event since August, and they pushed it back due to COVID and the weather and just a whole bunch of crap. But it is a gorgeous day out here today. The sun is out. There's like not a cloud in the sky, low humidity. It's not too hot. It's literally perfect. I got this thing all loaded up here. It is ready to go. I got the drift wheels on. I got the Kenda KR20As in the front, and then I got the Pirelli P0s that I was using at OSW for the last event in the rear. Everything's nut and bolted. Everything's good to go. We got fresh oil, fresh fluids throughout the whole car, and truck's all loaded. I got all my spares here. These are just some scrubs that I had from US Drift earlier this year. I got a new set of Pirellis. That should be plenty for me, and we're pretty much just ready to go. I mean, I'm excited. I'm a little nervous because this is my first time drifting in a while, and I was just saying to some of the guys that I feel like I haven't driven as well this year, just because there's been way bigger breaks in between my driving that there would be that there was in the past, like back at home, and I feel that it shows. It certainly shows. But you know, I think I'm kind of at the point where, like, with this car, you know, it is what it is. I just, you know, go out, have a good time. And I haven't been driving as much because I've just really been focusing on the V and getting the Drift V all wrapped up. So we're gonna be rolling out here very shortly. We're gonna just, you know, we got about an hour and a half ride and a Wawa stop. Can't forget the Wawa. And then we'll be at the Freedom Factory. So I'll check in with you guys once we get there. All right, what's up, guys? We're down here at the Freedom Factory now, and got the car all unloaded. It's all set up. Everything's ready to go. We got like a half hour till the drivers meeting, but we did find out we can't compete because I don't have door bars or a 6-point cage, which is kind of a bummer because there was no clear, real indication on you know, if we were going to be allowed to do that or not. A lot of people here showed up without cages and were expecting to drive, so the field for the competition got a lot smaller. On the other hand, I can't have passengers, which is a plus, at least until I get to the starting line, and they may tell me differently, I don't know. But looking forward to that. I mean, at the end of the day, we're here to have fun, here to have a good time, and we've already been meeting some cool people down here. You know, going to these Florida events is a little different because, you know, you're not rolling up with the whole squad. So, you know, a lot of guys out here that we've met are pretty cool, and there's a lot of cool cars out here. So I'm gonna throw the GoPro on the top of the car to start on the fish mount and try and get some good footage, try and get as much footage as I can. So I'm gonna head to the driver's meeting and we'll hit the track. Alright guys, we're out here. They're gonna start running in 9 minutes. We're sitting on grid. Got a little bit of a line in front of us. I think they're gonna start running. They're gonna run 2 lines, so that'll kind of break it up and make it seem a little shorter, but it shouldn't be too bad. We got a lot of driving time, so hopefully we get some good laps, and hopefully we get a hang of the track pretty quickly, just because first time back in the car in a while. So we passed tech, everything is good there. Now we're just waiting to get started. There's a lot of people in the stands. This is hands down the most people I've ever drifted in front of. But basically, I just can't look up there and just can't think about it. All right, so I'm off to a bad start. I got kicked off track, like right when we started running, because the bank in the starting line is so big that fuel was actually running out of my fuel cell vent, because I had my fuel cell topped off. It was running all the way out of the vent and leaking onto the track. So I had to get off track. I relocated it. I moved it up higher. The filter itself on the end of the vent is up higher than the cell now, so that once I burn some fuel off, I'll move it back down. But just so that on this bank,
and the fuel won't slosh go out through the vent and all that. So now we gotta wait in line again. I had such a good spot in line, but now we gotta wait in line again and try it again.
Confirmation from Pat, that is.
So after my first run, I spun coming off the bank. To be honest, it was my first lap. I didn't really know where I was gonna end up coming off the bank. My entry was a little weird. I pulled the handbrake and it didn't work too great. I got 7-Eleven receipts flying around here, but I just had to get warmed up. I'll get that bank down coming off of it. Reese was saying you gotta kind of come off a little sooner so that you set yourself up for the middle. I mean, the inside of the track is easy. I had to do that no problem, but I'll get that bank transition figured out.
Yeah, we figured that out. Works better, got that.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
as soon as I entered and like I got on it, I was like, okay, to the floor and like hold it.
You could tell, it was good.
Yeah. Dang, and it's just at like 185. Look at that. That was the fastest I've ever drifted. That bank was the fastest I've ever drifted.
That is dope.
Holy crap.
All right, so Mustang did some Mustang things and hit the wall, so we have a bit of a break. But that last run was hands down the fastest I've ever drifted. That was insane, and literally just doing that one run kind of just made this whole thing worth it. I was getting frustrated. Just the first two runs, I just feel like me and the car weren't like syncing. I was pulling the handbrake and pressing the brake pedal at the same time. It was kind of a mess. Morgan gets in the car, lay down the best round of the night, so I'll give her some credit towards it. But yeah, gonna do another run, take a break. Hopefully we have enough time to do another run. Grid's kind of going really slow, but they're gonna do the top 16 comp at 9 o'clock, and then maybe after that we'll have some more driving time. I doubt they're going to keep us out here while they do the top 16 comp, so I'll get some footage of that from the sides. It should be good. They only had 18 cage drivers. Like I mentioned before, they never really disclosed the fact that you had to have a cage to compete, but it is what it is. But yeah, looking forward to it, and hopefully we get some more laps after. Hopefully after everything cools down, this next lap isn't too bad.
What happened?
The car died out.
Break it.
Woo, that was good.
Yeah, you were flying.
Yeah. That shit felt so planted going across the middle section.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so hot.
That was nuts. Best two runs. Yeah, you got the good runs.
Now you just gotta get the end together.
What do you mean the end?
Like the graphic parts.
Oh, I know. I feel like I was at full lock when I finished, but then like the car, I feel like, I don't know what happened. I pulled the handbrake without pressing the clutch to slow the car down. I think it stalled the car.
Yeah.
And then I just like, I lost everything. So I just kind of straightened out and yeeted Cletus's grass.
Yeah. Okay, you weren't the first or the last.
No.
Oh, hell yeah, that was good.
Aside, the progression of drifting is what we're really looking forward to here.
Yeah.
And that could be both on track, off track, education in your mind.
Dude,
Again, the
prime parking spot.
Just trying to educate you and
Nice spot right up.
Yeah, seriously.
my head on the drift circuit, but like you said. nursery garden.
That's a good battle.
I like where Taylor took the car. Nick was able to get where Taylor was. So watch out. High and tight like a fastball pitch. Let's see what we got here. Zach Calvin will have.
So sketchy.
Freedom Factory, thank you so much. Congratulations. Make some noise for Zach Calvin. He is down there on the ground as well. 1 and 2. Spicy, go and head down there, bro. Go and rap out with the boys. Is that Jackson Jimmy? Jackson Jimmy going down there as we take a look at the replay.
We're all done. We're all wrapped up. We're all loaded back up here at the Freedom Factory. Seat time wise, got a solid 4 laps in, and I was on track as much as I could have been. It's just a lot of waiting in line, but it is what it is. You know, this event is definitely more one of those like media events where, you know, cars on live stream, thousands of people are here watching, thousands of people are on the live stream watching, so it's a good opportunity for some exposure. But the last 2 runs that I did were like the craziest runs I think I've ever done in drifting. I've never drifted so fast. I feel like I already said this before, but it was just like insane. It's just, there's no other way to put it. And I hope the video that I got that would have been in the video already kind of shows that. And I'm gonna try and get any other outside views that I could possibly get. And yeah, so thanks for watching. It was a good experience drifting here at the Freedom Factory, and I'll see you guys in the next video.